Yeah, I mean, I'm about to hop in the shower right now. Just give me about like, give me about 10 minutes. For sure. You know I ain't got no corona, bro. You tweaking. Alright, for sure. Damn. What you sending? I'm not tweaking. It's been longer than 10 minutes. Like, what the fuck? Dude always late. Like, what he be doing?
Oh, bro, my bad, man. What's poppin', son?
How you gonna say 10 minutes, but you didn't have me outside for 30 minutes?
It ain't even like that. Like, see, I was in the...
No. Not today.
Bro, why are you overreacting right now? It's just my... It's just my allergies, bro.
Bro, you know, you can have the car. Bro, we're good. We're straight.
Bro, can we talk this out? Bro, we need to talk this out.
Stop. Why are you coming this way? Why are you walking toward it? Bro, here. Bro, I swear. They say Corona only kills only 4% of people, bro. Can we just talk? Yeah, you can have a shirt too, bro. Bro, if we could just talk it out, I could explain all the I'm just playing. Hey, though, I appreciate you for watching this video. You didn't have to come watch this video. You know, you could have kept on panicking, but you showed love, so I appreciate it.